Hi guys, Ian here from Smith's RV Centre in Thunder Bay, and we are also proud to be Northwestern Ontario's largest RV and marine dealer. Today what we're going to be doing is talking about the Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS, and it's actually the best floor plan in a fifth wheel a few years running. So let me show you why. Alright, one really neat thing to point out is the Nautilus Center back here. It actually even has a pump to make sure that the water gets in. It's also got a barn door feature, which is fantastic. So it opens up and there's tons of space for your pass-through storage. You've got a 30-pound tank on each side for 60 pounds total for your propane. We've also got automatic leveling. Great when you get to the campground, press a couple buttons and it'll self-level. So that's a great other feature. Moving around this side, got some nice lighting with our 303 RLS. Battery storage underneath. Again, really wide, nice and deep pass-through storage. We've got our friction hinge with a latch. 2 awnings. And one thing to point out is laminated sidewall. You do that with any other RVs or most other RVs, and you're going to get a much different sound. Towards the back, we've of course got our ladder, and this can actually tow 3,000 pounds or put a 300-pound hitch on it. So that's the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, welcome inside. And believe it or not, this is not my apartment. This is inside the 303 RLS, which is rear living slide, which was where we're going to start. We've got a pull-out sofa here, cupboards on both sides. We've got these beautiful blackout curtains with easy roll to go up and down. Moving to this side, we've got our entertainment center. Grand Design's come up with these beautiful recliners that have heat, mood lighting, and massage. Can't go wrong with that because it's of course right across from the entertainment center. The new kitchen table, storage under the seats, and a great feature is this bench can be actually moved around the inside of the camper, so super versatile. Moving over to this side, we have, because of the dual slides, we've got a great island, pantry, so tons of storage. Of course, the Grand Design lighting, oversized Furrion microwave, great range, great oven, and then again, storage all underneath, storage underneath the island, residential faucet, which you like, residential lighting. It just doesn't stop. Moving along, we've got our 4-door fridge, tons of room. So for long-term camping, you don't have to keep running to the store. You can fill this up and be good for weeks at a time, as well as the freezer. Nice feature about this freezer is it's actually deeper than it looks. So you can actually go down about another 2 or 3 inches, which increases the square footage of the freezer. More cabinetry up here, and tons of drawers for your linens, for cutlery, for whatever you need. Nice, deep, solid drawers. Again, Grand Design really pulled through on this, and this is why it has one of the best floor plans, or the best floor plan for a fifth wheel. Let's go take a look at the bedroom. All right, moving upstairs. First, you're going to notice that there's no carpets on the stairs anymore, so there's no slip hazard. You've also got a nice handle here. And let's go into the bathroom, take a peek. All right, the Grand Design bathroom. Glass shower doors, huge shower, skylight, we love it. And then we've also got cabinetry on both sides. We've got our medicine cabinet and additional storage. We've got a towel rack. We've got our porcelain toilet, of course. More storage underneath. Nice sink. Light switches to go on and off so that you're not reaching up super high, trying to turn lights on in the middle of the night, especially if you're shorter. And we've also got area for garbage down there. And if we move it through the bedroom, Grand Design did not skimp on cabinetry. We've got tons of storage for clothing and whatnot for the bedroom. A nice little vanity here. Got lots of 120 volts plugins all over the place. Pocket door, solid pocket door for privacy. We've got our queen size bed. And as you can see, it speaks for itself. We've got cabinetry all around the bed. So just an all around nice fifth wheel. So let's head back outside. All right, so that was your introduction to the Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS. If you want your own personal tour, you can go ahead and call or text us, or better yet, visit us online at smithsrvcenter.com. where you can actually get information on your trade-in, on financing options, get more details on this unit or other units. We've even got our sale prices online. So give us a call, text us, and we hope to see you down here soon.